Yeah, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to sound exactly like Blood Charlie Murder. So at first we gotta pull your auto all the way up and put your form to minus 1.5 because my voice is too high for this shit. So then we gotta put a little EQ. I put Pro Q4 because it's just better. And I put preset bright vocal with DS. So then we gotta put for the limiter with these settings. Then two compressors with these settings. Then fucking Soundgoodizer, then Maximus to DS, you see, then Hyper Chorus with the settings, then Reverb, and then Delay. Then you gotta put another compressor to third track and throw a sand, so your vocals will be more hearable, if you know what I mean. For lips, we got almost the same settings, so you can just see. Yeah. And this is what we got in our final result. By the way, go listen to my new album that dropped like 1 week ago. It's so fucking far.
They should not be my fear, the shit that black, black, be out shit, but when I rock it, they get messy, black, black, getting nasty, got to the lesson,